Hi, my name is Joey Papa. I'm a coffee consultant, and today we're going to learn how to make Italian Cappuccino Instant Mix. Now, if you want to make your own Italian cappuccino mix at home, it's actually probably more simple than you think. And it's a great way to create a cappuccino when you're on the run or you're having guests over and you don't want to spend all that time working on an espresso machine. You're going to need three basic ingredients to do this. You're going to need instant coffee, you need coffee creamer, and some hot chocolate mix. Now, we're going to use tablespoons today, but if you want to make a larger batch of this, you can go ahead and double it or triple this recipe that we're going to go over today. And basically, you're going to take a Ziploc bag or a freezer bag, and you're going to add all your ingredients in here, and then we're going to shake it up. So basically, we're going to take 2 tablespoons of instant coffee. And again, you can find this down in the coffee aisle in your grocery store. And in order to make it Italian, you probably want to get a instant coffee that is a very dark roast. Most Italian coffee is traditionally served very dark. Then what we're going to do is we're going to take 4 tablespoons of coffee creamer. Now, in this case, I'm using a hazelnut coffee creamer. You can get really creative with this and make any flavored instant cappuccino that you want. So you can do plain if you want no flavoring in it, or you could do vanilla, hazelnut. So we're going to go ahead and take 4 tablespoons of this coffee creamer, and this is in essence what gives it the very creamy flavor and texture to it when you have your final product. Lastly, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of hot chocolate mix, and this is to add a little extra sugar and sweetness to it, as well as to give it some chocolatey flavor. Okay, there we go. Once you have all those ingredients in there, and again, to review, it's 2 tablespoons of instant coffee mix, 4 tablespoons of coffee creamer, and we have 2 tablespoons of hot chocolate mix. Once you have it in your little baggie, you're then going to go ahead and shake it up. Once you give that a good shake and all the ingredients are mixed together well, then you are going to be able to take that and store it so that you can use it at a later date. Now, when you are ready to use it, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to use 2 tablespoons for every 6 ounces of water. So if you're making a larger cup, a traditional coffee mug, which is 12 ounces, then you're going to want to double that recipe. You're going to add hot water to it, and you're going to be able to enjoy it right away. If you want it to be a little more sweetener, a little more intense flavoring, you want less coffee or more coffee, you can tweak the recipe and you can add more instant coffee or less instant coffee. My name is Joey Papa. I'm a coffee consultant, and today we learned how to make Italian instant cappuccino mix at home.